Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making cannoli, a traditional Italian dessert. Fantastic. First of all, we need to blend together 240 grams of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now for some wet ingredients. That's 25 grams of unsalted butter, 2 egg yolks, and 120 millilitres of wine. Blend that all together to form a dough. Now just place your dough on a work surface and get kneading. Now roll into a ball and cover with some cling wrap. Let that rest for 2 hours. Remove the cling wrap and cut it in half. Let's take a half, do a little more kneading, and then flatten it with a rolling pin. Use a cookie cutter to cut out a circle, and then wrap that circle around a cannoli mould, using egg white to join the ends together. Pull them together and press them down. Make a few of these, and then fry in some oil. Remember to turn them part way so they cook equally on each side. Once they're browned, you can remove them from the oil. Absolutely perfect, look at that. Ready to fill with ricotta cheese. And let's decorate with some sprinkles. You can do a variety of fillings. This one's going to be filled with ricotta cheese once again and decorated with dried orange. And there you have it. Amazing! Now all we need to do is dust on some powdered sugar for a finishing touch. It's all in the presentation, you know. Let's dust a bit of sweetness onto this one as well. Just perfect. Enjoy!